middle ear cavity. Nandito yung tensor tympani. And the station 2.
It'll be,
Tapos yung stapes mo will communicate sa inner ear via the oval window. Overlying the stapes.
Ayan yung oval window.
Nasa yung stapes.
Ah, okay.
Tapos yung round window, this one. Oval window.
Okay,
the round. Tapos, you have inner ear. I think, ano to? Membranous labyrinth na. Kasi di ba kapag osseous labyrinth, ayun yung, ano,
I think.
kung nasan yung membranous ear, the membranous labyrinth is within the osseous labyrinth. Ayun, yun. Diba? Tama ba?
Pag in-upload mo to TV, wala ka na kumita.
What is that?
This is the osseous labyrinth and this is the membranous labyrinth.
Members na ba yan? Ano?
Hindi ko sure, not sure. Just check.
Kailangan nasa loob yun.
Tapos,